Hey guys, welcome to the lab. We're back with some more exclusive content. Today will be a little bit of a different video. Today we're going to be unboxing some cards, basically. For those who don't know, Lids and Topps got together with a Mitchell and Ness collaboration earlier this year. They included some cards with those hats. If you bought the hat, originally came in a 3-pack box, and those cards were included in the box. Then they released some snapbacks, which you had to buy the hat and get them. I got word that you can now buy the hats at Lids without buying the hat. So originally, I think they were scanning in at $8.99, but there was like a price drop. I bought whatever they had for $5. So $5 a pack. There might be some good stuff in it. There might not be. I was taking a quick look on eBay, and some of them were coming up pretty valuable. So let's take a look real quick. And this is the second year they did it. Last year, they had cards too, and they were selling for a lot. I believe there was like a Shohei variant in there that was really expensive. Topps Lids. See, the old packs were selling for about $16 a pop. Yeah, 15 packs for $150. $13 a pack. So they're going for a pretty penny. So I was able to get a bunch for about $5 each. There are apparently autos in them, so we'll see if we get lucky. We might not, but it was worth the risk. Last year they sent, I think, Pierre and Snap a hat each with some cards. I was kind of jealous I never got any. This year they jumped into our chat, so they would send us the Fanatics Fest exclusive, but they never did. So this is gonna have to come close. I'm gonna open those on camera, and before we do that, I did pick up a couple hats from them. So let's cover that first. So they had this like Burberry-ish hat, almost like a suede Burberry hat with satin green under. Satin green is not available in the catalog anymore. So that was a cool pickup. Blue Jay, Plain Jane, Burberry. Got my Burberry scarf for the photo shoot, and then I got one of their white real tree. So it's corduroy, Raptors, Plain Jane. It's got the real tree patch there. Green under, smooth little pack. And then at the end, I will open up this gift from Hat Ninja Mike Wyckoff. He included an NPB 2023 Topps. So hopefully there'll be some good cards in that little box. But before we start, I'm just kind of curious. I'm going to look up some values of some of these cards to see what we're going to be pulling. So let's do Lids, Topps Chrome, Lids, 2024 PSA. Let's see what some of these are moving for. So yeah, so we got the Ellie selling for 100, Jackson Merrill 18, Yamamoto, and again, these are like prices that they're listing for, not necessarily price they're selling for. So we got Jackson Holiday out for bid, Shohei, $54. Okay, so there are some that are numbered. We'll be on the lookout for those refractors and autos. Image variation. Okay. All right. Well, let's get into it. I set up my camera to be here. So let's do this. The first pack is so it's not awkward. All right. Here. I got the most comfortable setup. Oh, nice. Off rip. Yamamoto. Adley Rushman. Garrett Cole. I did save myself from not having to buy multiple hats. We got Mike Trout, O'Neal Cruz, Bo Bichette. We got a gold. We got a gold. So we got gold, Bryce Harper. Is it number? It's gold. Corbin Carroll. Mookie Betts. Good thing about buying these from Lids, you don't get a discount on them, but you get Lids points. You get 20%. No, you don't get 20%. You get, I think, $10 every $100 you spend. So I got $14 back. Altuve, Bellinger. Ooh. Jung-Hoo Lee rookie, gold. Hope we pull an auto. Or Shohei. Evan Carter rookie. A gold Inamaga. Mookie Betts again. They're beautiful cards so far. This pack feels heavier. Devers, Alonso, Garrett Cole. Volpe, Fernando, Julio. Kershaw, Gunner, Cole. It's the third Garrett Cole I pulled. Uh-oh. Junior Caronero, Vladdy, Shohei. Wow. Maybe we got our money back. No auto so far. Seager, Ellie De La Cruz, Manny Machado. Fernando, Austin Riley, Colton Cowser, rookie. I don't know if these gold ones were as rare as I thought they were originally. Rushman, Yelich, Colt Keith, rookie. Judge, Carroll, Chad. No autos so far. No autos so far. Junior Cabanero again. Vladdy again. Nice. Jackson Churio, Venezuelan stud. Pulled another Ellie. Volpe. White Langford. Rookie. Beautiful. Oneil Cruz. Corey Seager. Byron Buxton. Ooh, this is a nice one. Jackson Merrill. Mike Trout. Jackson Holiday, rookie. Nice. That's a good pack right there. Trout, Jackson Merrill, Jackson Holiday. So we pulled the 3 Jacksons. We got Jackson Churio, Jackson Merrill, Jackson Holiday. 3 Jacksons. All right, Adley again. Christian Yelich. Freddie Freeman, World Series. Hero. Uh-oh, getting lower. No auto so far. Haven't got lucky yet. We have been hitting good rookies. Another Yoshinobu Yamamoto. Another Ellie De La Cruz. And a Jason Dominguez rookie. The Martian. Tuve. Bellinger. Zach Geloff rookie. Another Yamamoto rookie. Manny Machado. Oh, silver. Out of 99. 33 out of 99. Ronald Acuna. Altuve. Bellinger again. Another Shohei. Evan Carter. Imanaga. Colton Cowser rookie. 3 rookies in 1 pack, not bad. Last 2 packs. Pete Alonso, Julio, Wyatt Langford rookie. Last pack Magic. Let's go. Corbin Carroll, Rafi Devers, Brian Buxton. So, no autos, 2 Shoheis, and a Manny Machado out of 99. So now we're going to open this NPB baseball. Hopefully we can catch a Sasaki, a Shohei, maybe a Yamamoto. I'm not sure. But shout out to Mike Wyckoff sending that over. Bought some hats from Japan, and he does a great service where he sends you the hats from Japan, and he included this 36 pack card. So shout out to Mike. See if we pull anything good. Oh, shoot, there's mini cards. All right. Got Nakamura, Yamada. I have Trevor Bauer's in here. Nakamura again. It's a rookie card. Hiruma, Yamato, Saito, Ushura, Shinzu, Yamura, Nakata. Wow. Kikuchi, Aito, Keller, Wadasuki, Takatsu, Yamasaki, Issei, Benzagami, Musada. These are beautiful looking cards, at least. I don't know a lot of these players. Rookie. We got a blue card. Like a holographic. Matsui. And some mini cards. This one's out of 50. Oh, that's cool. NPB. Who would have thought? But yeah, if you guys like this kind of content, subscribe to see more. I'm probably going to unbox more cards as I get them. But yeah, that was kind of fun. Till next time, we're out of here. Peace.
Brought to you by VFTV.